Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the questions of the chapter 4. Log on to Animate CC. Question is what is the use of tool panel mentioned in different section? The tool panel consists of various tools to draw, paint, select and modify object in workspace. The tools panel is divided into workspace. The tool panel is divided into 4 parts. First, tool, view, colors and options. Tool section. It contains tools that are used for drawing, painting and selecting objects. View section. It consists of tools for zooming and panning the application's windows. Third one, color section. It includes modifier to select colors for the shape we draw using the stroke and fill colors pickers. Option section. It display modifier for the currently selected tools. Modifier affects the tool's painting or editing operations. Second question, differentiate between a frame and keyframe. Frame are the little rectangular cells that appears on the timeline. They display the contents of the movie at a specific moment of time. Keyframes are special types of frames where we define some changes to an object properties for an animation like the position, color, shape, etc. Question number 3. What does the property inspector display? The property inspectors is a panel that displays the properties of the selected object, text, shape, symbol, image. The list of properties also varies in the properties inspector. Depending upon the object selected, we can change to the object or document attribute in the properties inspector. Now question number 4. What is gradient? A gradient is a multicolor fill in which one color gradually change into another color. Gradients are formed by a mixing of 2 or more colors in an object. Question number 5. Briefly explain the term animation. Animation is a dynamic medium in which images or objects are manipulated to appear as a moving image. In traditional animation, images are drawn or painted by hand on transparent sheets to be photographed and exhibited on the film. Question number 6. What do you understand by the tint twinning? The tint twinning is used to change the colors of an object. Tint effects works only on symbol and cannot be added to the object that are drawn directly on the canvas of the movie. Question number 7. Explain the utility of the filter in animation. The filter allow us to add interesting visual effects to the text button and movie clip. Filters usually involve effects such as drop, shadow, blur, glow, bevels, etc. Animate provides a unique features to animate movie clips that have filters using the classic twins. These are the questions of the chapter 4. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.